Hey there folks, it is me RandomJosh and I'm back again with another Face Mask Friday video, and as you can see today we are glammed up. This makeup may be rough around the edges, but I fucking love it. This is very me. I'm not artistic, let's be honest. It is what it is. But if you want to see how I achieve this kind of rainbow pride graphic eyeliner look, then stay tuned and check out below for the products used.
So we're kicking this off, of course, with priming of the skin. So I'm just using my Beauty Bay Matte Blur priming stick just to kind of get the blurred effect on the pore areas on my T-zone mainly. And then also the Revolution Protect Soft Focus Primer with SPF 50, perfect for this weather. Going in now with our Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Foundation. Just working that through the skin as always. Pretty standard stuff for any RandomJosh makeup tutorial, let's be honest. Just making sure that we're getting all those little nooks and crannies, and also I believe taking it down at the neck as well, and making sure to get those ears, just so we've got the full coverage beauty. Now we're on to the contouring and highlighting stage, so I'm just going in with my CYO Cool as a Coconut Cooling Bronzing Stick in Fair Medium, just to add the contours to the face, and then also our L'Oreal Paris More Than Concealer in Eggshell, just to add to the highlights of the face there. So just really focusing on those high points, especially underneath the eyes, the nose, and even on that Cupid's bow there. And I added some just underneath where the contour is on the cheeks, just to really emphasize that area as well. Give it that little bit of shine and definition, as if the light is hitting it. Basically as if my jaw is actually chiseled, but it's not. So blending that through now, so you noticed I did start by blending mainly on the actual highlight points, just because I wanted to mainly focus on those, and then go into the darker shades so we're not convoluting our brush. And now we're bronzing, so just really trying to get the impact back into the area and basically powder it. So this is the Benefit Cosmetics Hoola Matte Bronzer, of course. Again, a pretty staple product in most of my, if not all of my tutorials. And then adding some blush to really give it that sun-kissed gorgeous look. So this is the Revolution Baked Blush, I believe, in Baked Peach. Absolutely stunning. And now powdering the face with some translucent setting powder. So this is the COTY Airspun Loose Face Powder in translucent. So just really trying to pack that in, make sure that the face is looking as juicy, as beautiful as possible. So now a new product we're using here, which is the Suva Beauty Prime and Paint. This is in the shade, I believe, Tweed. So this is just basically used to prime the eyes, ready for some gorgeous, beautiful, stunning eyeshadows. So I'm starting off with the Revolution X Exposed palette. Just basically going in with that really light shade, just to kind of add it across the eye where we've put our primer, to give ourselves a bit more of a normal base, take away some of that tackiness. And then going in with this deeper shade here, and just, it looks a bit crazy at first, but trust the process. Blend, blend, blend. Don't stop until it's blended. But just basically working that through the crease and on the lower outer end of the eye there, just again to really hit home with the eye basically. I just wanted to give it a little bit of a nice neutral definition, so it's not too heavy, but it still has a good bit of impact there. So yeah, you can see we're just continually blending that. I wanted to make sure that that was completely blended to the gods. We'll live to see it. Now on to the crazy fun bit. So this is the Suva We Make Rainbows Jealous collection. So we're just going in firstly with the red shade there, and just basically initially starting with the inner corner of the eye. So the idea is going to be that it's a simple normal liner across the eye, but then each colour kind of fades. It fades from one colour to another, and then all colours rise up into the forehead area. So here we're kind of going in with the love theme of red, very much so that, like, you know, basically love hearts, hello. So try to draw a heart. You'll notice as well, I do pick up the pace a little bit once I get used to the doing of this. I'm not a professional at doing liner in general, especially not kind of graphic liner drawings and things like that. It could get a little bit convoluted, so I apologise that it may not be the cleanest and neatest, but I'm sure you get the gist. And then going in with our orange shade here, so this is again health, so just really trying to take that into the look there. So I made this one a little bit higher, again just to try and fit all of the different symbols into the face. I wanted to make sure that they all had a decent impact, and didn't want to like squish them all really small as such. So yeah, just basically drawing the kind of plus sign. It's a global symbol for health, like healthcare and stuff like that. And now of course we're going in with our gorgeous yellow shade. I love this shade, I'm not gonna lie. Tricky sometimes to work with because it is so light, but it's still so pigmented and neon, as you can see there. So just doing a little ball of sunshine, nice, simple, effective. Now onto the green, so this is all about nature. So again, I wanted to kind of do like a small like vine kind of situation growing out, so you can see it's got that slight wave to it. And then we're going in here and just adding some like small little detailed leaves. Nothing crazy or wild, honestly, it's just what it is. So now in with the blue, so blue is all about harmony, and I really wanted to tie that in with a music note. Again, trying to draw tiny things on your face. I mean, I have dodgy eyes as it is, but trying to draw tiny little things on the face is really difficult, so props to people who can do this with ease. Yeah, just drawing small little notes there and then connecting it back down to the actual eyeliner there. And now in with our purple shade. Oh, cut a bitch, like, let's be honest, that was stunning. And then, yeah, you can see here we're now just drawing a little bit of a kind of, I guess, a ghost. It kind of like went along the themes of drawing the Snapchat ghost, just because it's the easy, simple ghost to draw that should theoretically stand out. Doesn't look the best, I appreciate that. Trying to draw the little triangles at the bottom was probably the most difficult part of this. But yeah, that's all about spirit. And now going in with our CYO brow and lash gel in fair medium, just to give our brows a little bit of some zhuzh. And now onto her lovely, lovely lashes. So our Benefit Roller Lash Mascara, of course, just to prep the lashes there for the falsies. And now putting on our Indigo Rosé lashes in Martini. Love these lashes. Big, bold, dramatic, but not too full on. Live for it. And then just popping on some more mascara just to really top the look up, really, and kind of complete it as a whole. And then of course we can't not have some highlight, let's be honest, we need the glow. So this is our classic Get Wet Cream highlighter in Do You from Be Perfect. And now of course as well, some nice gorgeous lips. So we've got this Soda Beauty We Got You Babe Glitter Lip Gloss in Diamond Sugar. Really stunning, nice neutral shade here, love it. Now we're going in with another new product here. So this is the Suva Make It UV. So this, as you can see, it looks like I'm literally tapping on absolutely nothing on my face. However, it is pretty much close to translucent. And this is a bit of a jump cut because I made this decision last minute, but I wanted to add it also to the lips just to really give that impact. So you can see I kind of got bored of doing the brush, so I just went in with the fingers. It's a little bit rough, but we love to see it. Reapplying our lip gloss just over the top of that, just so that it kind of still shines through. And then of course finalizing this off with some Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Boom.
Alrighty there, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed the little kind of UV twist. Definitely love doing this. It's so crazy. Like, look at these lips. The lips were a last minute thought, I can't lie. But oh my goodness, hello. Is it the best makeup look out there? You know, probably not. Is it very unique to me and meaningful to me? Yes, because it's kind of like a nod back to when I did my original Pride makeup series. If you don't recall that, I will probably link it somewhere, but it's a little hint to that, but just kind of tying every single one into a single clean, fresh, but still crazy look. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching this. I hope you did enjoy. If you did, of course, let me know down below in the comment section, and give this video a cheeky little like, maybe even subscribe. Come see more videos of mine. And yeah, without further ado, thank you again so much for watching, and I will see each and every one of you folks in the next video. Peace out, bitches.